In this video, guys, I will show you the NVIDIA settings that are causing FPS drops and stutters in your games, and why it is important to turn them off. Many of these settings sound helpful or even promise better visuals, but in reality, they can quietly interfere with how your GPU delivers frames during gameplay. That's why even powerful PCs can still feel inconsistent or suffer from random stutters. In this guide, we'll go through the exact NVIDIA and Windows settings you should disable, so your GPU can focus purely on performance. By the end, your system should feel smoother, more responsive, and much more stable while gaming. Now guys, in this step, we're going to adjust some NVIDIA driver settings that can quietly cause low FPS and random stutters. Modern NVIDIA drivers include automatic optimization features and extra graphical options that sometimes override your manual settings or add extra processing load that competitive games simply don't need. First, press the Windows key, type NVIDIA app, and open it from the search results. Once the NVIDIA app opens, go to Settings, then look for the section called Games and Apps. Inside this section, turn off Automatically Optimize Newly Added Games and Apps. This prevents NVIDIA from automatically changing your game settings behind the scenes. Now click on Graphics, then go to Global Settings so these adjustments apply to all games. Find DSR factors and turn it off. Think of DSR like rendering your game at a much higher resolution and then shrinking it back down to your screen. It's like taking a huge photo and compressing it just to display it smaller. It looks nice, but your GPU has to do way more work than necessary. Next, locate low latency mode and set it to off. Low latency mode can sometimes conflict with in-game technologies like NVIDIA Reflex. It's similar to having two traffic controllers giving different directions at the same intersection. Sometimes that creates more confusion instead of smoother traffic. Now find image scaling and turn it off. Image scaling constantly adjusts resolution and sharpening in the background, which can add extra GPU work. Think of it like someone constantly adjusting your monitor settings while you're playing. Next, find max frame rate and set it to off. This driver limiter can interfere with in-game FPS caps. It's similar to putting two speed limiters on the same car, one from the game and one from the driver, which can cause inconsistent performance. Now locate power management mode and set it to prefer maximum performance. This prevents the GPU from constantly lowering and raising its clock speeds. Imagine a car that keeps switching between eco mode and sport mode while you're racing. The constant switching can slow things down. Find shader cache size and set it to unlimited. Shaders are small compiled graphics files that help your game render effects faster. If the cache is limited, the driver may keep deleting old shaders and rebuilding them again later, which can cause stutters. Next, locate vertical sync and turn it off. VSync removes screen tearing but adds input delay and can lock your FPS to your monitor refresh rate, which often hurts responsiveness in fast-paced games. Now find anti-aliasing FXAA and turn it off. FXAA is a driver-level smoothing filter that runs on top of the game. Think of it like adding another photo filter after the game already processed the image. It adds extra work for very little benefit. Finally, find Multi-Frame Sampled AA, MFAA, and set it to off. This feature tries to improve anti-aliasing across multiple frames, but in competitive gaming, it can introduce visual instability and additional GPU processing. After applying these settings, close the NVIDIA app and launch your game to test performance. These changes remove unnecessary driver-level features so your GPU can focus purely on rendering the game, which can help reduce FPS drops and stuttering. Alright guys, now in this step, we're going to apply a more advanced GPU scheduling tweak to make sure your graphics card is fully focused on your game instead of sharing resources with background desktop tasks. First, press the Windows key, type Registry Editor, and open it from the search results. When the user account control prompt appears, click Yes so the registry editor launches with administrator permissions. Once the registry window opens, copy the exact registry path from the video description, paste it into the address bar at the top of the registry editor, and press Enter. This will immediately take you to the correct configuration folder without manually browsing through multiple registry locations. Now move to the right side panel and adjust the following values. First, double-click GPU priority and change the value to 8. Think of this like giving your GPU a VIP pass in a busy system queue. When multiple tasks are waiting to use the GPU, this higher priority ensures your game's graphics workload gets processed first. Next, double-click priority and set the value to 6. You can picture this as telling Windows that the game is the main task in the room, while background processes are secondary. This helps Windows schedule CPU and GPU resources more in favor of the game. Finally, double-click Scheduling Category and change its value to High. This setting is similar to marking your game as a high-importance job in Windows Task System, so the scheduler treats it more seriously than normal background activity. After changing these values, close the registry editor and restart your PC so the scheduling changes apply properly. With these adjustments, Windows will prioritize GPU workloads coming from your game, helping reduce scheduling delays and improving overall frame stability during gameplay. So guys, in this step, we're going to adjust a power management setting that affects how your GPU communicates with the motherboard. Windows sometimes puts PCIe devices, like your graphics card, into low power states when it thinks the system isn't doing much. First, press the Windows key, type Edit Power Plan, and open it from the search results. Once the Power Plan window appears, click on Change Advanced Power Settings to open the detailed power configuration panel. Inside the Advanced Settings window, scroll down until you see PCI Express, then expand that section. Under it, find Link State Power Management and change the setting to Off. After that, click Apply and then OK to save the change. Think of this setting like a car that keeps switching into eco mode while you're trying to race. Every time you press the accelerator, the engine needs a moment to wake back up. By disabling this power-saving feature, the PCIe connection between your GPU and motherboard stays fully active, which helps avoid those small performance dips and keeps your gameplay smoother and more consistent. Now guys, in this step, we're going to make sure your game is actually using the highest performance GPU configuration. Sometimes Windows leaves graphics selection on a balanced or automatic mode, which means the system decides how your game should run. In some cases, that can result in the game not using the most aggressive GPU performance profile. First, press the Windows key, open Settings, then go into the System section. Scroll down until you find Graphics Settings and open it. Inside the Graphics Settings page, click Browse and navigate to the folder where your game is installed. Select the .exe file of the game, then click Add so it appears in the graphics list. Once the game shows up in the list, click on it and select Options. A small window will appear where you can choose the graphics preference. Select High Performance, then click Save. Think of this like telling Windows, always use the fastest engine for this game. Instead of letting the system decide how to handle graphics power, you're forcing it to run the game using the highest performance GPU configuration available, which can help avoid performance inconsistencies and improve overall stability during gameplay. And that's how you stop those NVIDIA settings from silently causing FPS drops and stutters in your games. If this helped you get smoother gameplay, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next optimization guide.